Hey friends, if you wish to find all email attachments or specific attachment types in Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have a Gmail account here. I'll give you two tags. The first one is has attachments colon yes. Okay. So type it in the search bar and hit enter. It will show all the messages which have attachments. Since I don't have them, that's why it's not showing anything. And if you write no, it will show all emails which don't have attachments. So this is one thing. And the second one is that you can, if you want some specific attachments, let's say PDF, simply use the tag file name colon PDF, file name colon PDF and hit enter. Let's say it's something else. It is a docx file. Then file name colon docx. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.